Hello, Dylan. I mean, hello, myself. Okay, I'm going to show you the funnest trick in the world. I mean, the funniest.
I am dumb. I am stupid.
My brother keeps on annoying me.
My brother is 6. I'm 15.
Oh, Dean, stop annoying me when you do that.
You're not some zombie.
Oh, let's just go upstairs.
You're not in our...
Okay. Here's my room. It's right here. Dean, what are you doing?
Looking for the barbecue chips.
Okay. Okay. I'm going to do it. If you're going to stay very slow, yes, just watch. Okay, very cool. Whoa! Oh! Did you see that? Okay. Bye-bye.